Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLandDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We're back in the she shop. We gotta try a new product. So my friend Ellie told me about this. So Ellie works at the newspaper with me, and she clued me in. She said she's been going ham with this stuff, so we are going to try it. It is called Snow-Texture. Is it texture? Snow-Tex. Snow-Tex. I got it on Amazon, but she said you put it on stuff, and it actually gives that texture of snow. So, you know, when you get like, they show the little snowman, that little feeling of snow. And she's been going crazy on little houses and stuff. And look what I have. This has been on the shelf of doom for a very long time because I haven't known what to do with it. I could have just sold it. But I didn't. It's been sitting back there. So this is called the Bergman Residence. From International Resourcing Services, made in China in 1998. Look, it's just a little Victorian mansion. But how cute would it be with a little snow on the roof? So we're going to try out the Snow-Tex, see how it works, and see if we can give our little Victorian house a little winter wonderland makeover. So that's what we're doing today. All right, I just read the directions and it seems pretty straightforward. It says it can be applied with a brush or a palette knife. Ooh, that is marshmallowy thick. I'm going to actually use a popsicle stick because that's what I have. Oh my goodness sake. Oh, look at this. That is some luscious texture. And this says it can be tinted, but I don't know why you'd want to if you're going for a snow texture. And then it says to dab it on and then let it dry between the layers. So we are going to take this little house, and it had a broken rooftop here. So this is a good way of disguising the little broken conical bit here. And we're going to give it a winter wonderland makeover. Ooh. She's thick, y'all. I'm going to put a little dot there so you can't tell that point is missing any longer. Ooh. Of course, all of the little trees will need snow. Interesting. This stuff's interesting. It's got a weird texture. Ugh. Ugh. All right. It's starting to look snowy. I'm getting all excited. Oh, this is terrible. I'm gonna go ham too, aren't I? I'm gonna start putting the snow on everything. Ooh, I bet we could snow that. Ooh, I bet we could snow that. Wouldn't that look cute with some snow on it? It has a smell. What does this smell like? It's a chemical smell. I've smelled it before. It smells vaguely familiar, but now I gotta place it. What is this smell? A little snow coming off the edge of the roof there. I think I'm actually going to leave a little bit showing of the roof here because you know how when you look at a roof, unless it's freshly snowed, it's not always perfect. The wind will blow little gaps in here and there. So these little valleys and stuff don't have to be perfectly covered with the snow. Ooh, a little overhang there. Oh, that's starting to look good. Okay. However, getting it in those little edges is a little difficult with this. Maybe I do need a brush. Hang on. I found just a little craft brush to try and have a little more control over into the tight spaces here. Because there's literally, of course, on a wooden stick, no flexibility as far as pushing it into those little edges. We definitely want to keep pushing it into those edges. I was putting it on thick. I guess I didn't need to. But seriously, that covers up that broken bit so nicely. Because there's a doghouse in here. Oh my gosh, I never even noticed the little doghouse. This thing has been sitting on that shelf. The shelf of doom forever. And when I say forever, I mean forever. We need snow on the ground now. And on these evergreens. This was a definite doom pile project that this product is now resurrecting. It's really doing a number on the brush though. Do not use a good brush with this. The one that no brushes that you want to keep. All right, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go clean my brush and see how it cleans up, but let's let that dry. Okay, it's done. And I'm gonna show you close-ups. So let's do that. I don't think it needs a second coat. I think it's kind of perfect the way it is. There might be a little more work on this tomorrow, but for now, this is what the DecoArt Snow Texture does. So this feels like that snow that you find on everything. So it's hard, first of all. It's kind of like it's almost part of the ceramic. That's what it feels like. Like it's part of whatever this is made out of, the plastic or the ceramic, so that it has the same feeling. You're not getting like some kind of weird gooey feeling, or like, I don't know, it just feels like it's part of it. It's all on the birdhouse. It's all in the grass now. That was probably more than I anticipated, just because I didn't think about the fact that the whole rest of the yard looked like it was sunny in summer. So I had to change the whole thing, but it turned out really cute. And we do have another product to try tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.